Hi, my name is Eric Shamus. Along with Dr. Aria Van Dunn, we are co-authors of the new textbook, Manual Therapy of the Extremities. We both have extensive experience in manual therapy, everything from high-velocity thrust techniques, to myofascial techniques, to counter-strain techniques, to movement mobilization techniques, and to techniques where we teach patients to do self-mobilization at home. Throughout the textbook, you'll be able to watch images and videos of the different techniques for the same type of dysfunction. For example, if somebody was limited in shoulder flexion, you'll have 8 different types of techniques to choose from. Depending on the type of patient and what's appropriate, that'll give you a nice variety. With this textbook, you'll be able to watch the videos and be able to practice it. Manual Therapy of the Extremities presents manual therapy techniques for the upper and lower extremities from a variety of perspectives. Organized around the restricted motion of the extremity joints, this format is perfect for education and clinical reference, as the clinician will be able to choose from a variety of techniques to treat a restriction of motion in a specific direction without having to navigate between chapters or textbooks. This valuable guide provides an overview of the functional anatomy and biomechanics of the joints, as well as a review of the available evidence for the efficacy of manual therapy, allowing evidence-based decision-making for the most appropriate technique for the specific clinical situation. Each new print textbook includes Navigate to Advantage Access. Students who purchase a new textbook will also have access to the eBook with videos, practice activities, and assessments all in one package. Instructors will have access to assign preloaded assessments which automatically become graded and report to a gradebook. Instructors also have access to make analytics, including reports on student activities. Let's take a look at the content in the book and navigate to. Each chapter describes manual therapy for each of the extremity joints and includes videos on each of the joints. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand and fingers, hip, knee, ankle, foot. In the introduction of each chapter, the anatomy and functional biomechanics, including orthokinematics, are described, followed by descriptions of common joint dysfunctions and the available evidence for manual therapy treatment of these dysfunctions. Detailed descriptions of the 8 types of techniques for each of the osteokinetic motions of that joint are provided. Each technique includes step-by-step instructions, color photographs of the technique, patient position, therapist position, notes and tips for each technique. The 8 categories of manipulation techniques for each osteokinetic motion are organized as follows: joint manipulation, non-thrust; joint manipulation, thrust; muscle energy technique; manipulation with movement; counter-strain technique; myofascial manipulation; soft tissue manipulation; and self-mobilization. Each technique is accompanied by step-by-step instructions on how to perform the technique. Over 570 photos are included in this text. Accompanying online videos provide a visual description of the technique, noted by icons in the margin, a description of the patient's and therapist positions, and notes for any items a therapist should keep in mind. Techniques for self-mobilization are included to allow the patient to continue working on improved mobility and normalizing the movement patterns. Let's take a look at some video clips for the manipulation techniques. Chapter 2, Shoulder Flexion, Type of Manipulation, Mobilization with Movement. Restricted motion limited shoulder flexion, glenohumeral. Chapter 3, elbow flexion, type of manipulation, muscle energy, restricted motion, limited shoulder flexion, glenohumeral. Chapter 6, hip internal rotation, type of manipulation, mobilization with movement, restricted motion, limited hip internal rotation. Chapter 7, knee extension, type of manipulation, joint manipulation non-thrust, restricted motion, limited knee extension. Chapter 8, ankle dorsiflexion, type of manipulation, joint manipulation thrust, restricted motion, limited ankle dorsiflexion, talar crural. With 191 videos, 570 color photos, case studies, and detailed written description of the multiple types of manual therapy techniques for each restriction, this textbook is unique, making it the most comprehensive resource available on this topic. Manual Therapy of the Extremities textbook and ebook embedded with videos provide students and clinicians with a well-rounded approach to manual therapy.
Two purchase options are available. Textbook and ebook with embedded videos and practice activities and assessments. Each new print copy includes Navigate to Advantage Access that unlocks a comprehensive and interactive ebook, student practice activities and assessments, a full suite of instructor resources, and learning analytics reporting tools. Navigate to Advantage Access may be purchased separately. The second purchase option, the digital-only version, is available at 50% off the textbook package and includes an access code for the ebook with embedded videos, practice activities, and assessments. For more information, you can visit go.jblearning.com/Shamus to reserve a review copy or request instructor resources. Feel free to contact your account manager for a review copy, instructor resources, or to place an order. You may email your account manager via our website at go.jblearning.com/findarep or call 1-800-832-0034.